Y'all, this hair, oh my gosh. I am working with a 7-day wash and go. I tried a new wash and go combo. Just wanted to see how long it lasted and did pretty good. You know, starting to get dried out and stuff now, but that's normal. But still got a little bit of body going on there. Yeah, y'all. But anywho, today's video is all about another Valentine's look for you. This is my third one, so that is why I'm still in the same shirt. I did 3 videos in one day, so here we go. Anyway, yeah, this look was put together using just 2 eyeshadows, a red and a pink, and then I put some glitter drops on the lid, as well as I blended out the edges with another color. So I guess I better say 3 colors. Really it was 2, but I'm gonna say 3 because I blended out the edges. But yeah, it's very cute, very traditional with the colors, different from the other one that I did that was very, very non-traditional, which I will link up in the cards, or it'll be an end card. Either way, you'll be able to see that one. So yeah, but before we get into the video, if you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button, the notification bell, so that you don't miss an upload, and also if you would not mind sharing my video with all your friends, then liking it and giving me a comment, let me know what you think, and let me know what you like, you don't like, whatever. I don't care. Just show me some love that you are watching, people, please. I cannot stress that enough. Just show me some love, please, people. All right, thank you so much. I appreciate you all, and let's get into the video. Bye. Today I am using the Pure My Little Pony palette, as well as the Colourpop Semi Precious palette. I am only using 2 colors for today's look. I am using the My Little Pony palette first, and is the main pink that I will be using, and I am blending that in the crease as well as a little above the crease. And I do have a hooded eye, so I always try to bring it up enough so that you can see that color. And with that color, again, I'm taking it in the crease as well as above the crease. And then you will also see me later on using that same pink in the inner corner as well as the outer corner, because I'm doing a halo effect here. And then there will be a different color in the center. And as we go on, you will see that. Like I said, it's only 2 colors. And then I'm going to blend the line out, that pink right there. I'm going to be blending that out with a different color, and everything that I'm using and all the colors will be listed below in the description, so that you can check that out, because I'm usually not good with that. So I do list everything so that you will know every single thing that I used. you can see, I added that matte pink color to the crease and the inner corner and outer corner of my eye. And now I am applying a shimmer shade to the center of my lid, making this a sort of a halo effect here. Applying the same color that I put on my inner outer crease and the center lid color on the bottom lash line. Try to smoke that out a bit. Now I am going in with my other My Little Pony palette and using a different matte color, a matte mauve type color, to blend out the harsh lines from that first pink, and just making that look a little bit more seamless. Same My Little Pony palette by Colourpop, going in with a different color, more of a highlighted color, just to highlight the brow bone, giving that a little bit more pizzazz. Going in with my Cover FX glitter drops here, adding a little bit to the back of my hand, taking my MAC brush and just applying that to the center of my lid, on top of that shimmer shade that I use, just to make the eyelid pop just a little bit more, just to bring it out so everything doesn't look so flat. Adding some mascara now to prep my real lashes before I add the falsies on. This is the Lorac primer and mascara duo. That will be in the description anyway, but yeah, and I really do love this mascara. Once this runs out, I'm definitely buying another. I got this in a the Boxy Luxe, and I really love it. So yeah, mascara. I love to say mascara. I don't know, make me feel like I'm from England or some shit. I don't know. But anyway, I know I'm not sounding anything like that accent, but I just like to say mascara because I'm a little weird. But anyway, boom. Now I'm done. And here we go. I'm adding my Colourpop lipstick. You know, I did do another lipstick color. You'll see that in the pictures after. I went with this first nude pink color. I mean, it's cute. I like it. It looks good. But, you know, as I was taking pictures, I felt like the face looked a little too flat. I don't know. So I went ahead and changed the lipstick to a little bit more of a brighter pink. I didn't include it in the video, but again, you will see it in the pictures. But yeah, that's it. That's the completed look. Have a good night.